Struggling to share your Pipedrive dashboard with clients who don't have an account? Here is how to create a public link in under 30 seconds. I have been in that exact spot where a client needs to see the numbers, but setting them up with a whole new user license feels like overkill. Trust me, this fix is much simpler than it looks. So here is the plan. We are going to open Pipedrive, find the dashboard, and use the Share menu to generate a public link you can copy and send. No tricks, no hidden settings. Just a straight line from your screen to theirs. All right, let us start by opening Pipedrive in your browser. Just log in like you normally would. Nothing fancy here. From the left sidebar, click Insights. And here is the thing about this section. It is where all your visual reports live. So if you've built a sales funnel chart or a revenue graph, this is the place you want to be. Now open the specific dashboard you want to share. I have tested this with several different layouts, and the process works the same, whether you have a simple deal count or a complex pipeline overview. Just click on the dashboard name to pull it up. In the top right corner, you are going to see a little icon with 3 dots. That is the 3-dot menu. Click on it. From that drop-down menu, select Share as Public Link. Now, this is the step where a lot of people get confused because they expect to see a Share button on the toolbar itself. But it is always hiding in that menu, so if you do not see it at first, just double-check that menu. Wait for the Share Dashboard window to appear. This might take a moment to process, especially if your dashboard has a lot of data or complex charts. Be patient with it. In that window, click the Share as Public Link tab. You will notice there are a couple of tabs here. One might say Internal or something similar for users inside your team. You want the one that specifically says Public Link. Click the Get Link button. This is the moment where Pipedrive does its magic. It generates a unique URL that anyone can open, even if they do not have a Pipedrive account. Wait for Pipedrive to generate the public link. You will see a spinner or a loading indicator. In my experience, this never takes more than a few seconds, but if your internet is being slow, just give it a moment. Now, share the link with anyone who needs access to the dashboard. You can paste it into an email, a chat message, or even a text. And here is the best part. The person on the other end sees exactly what you see, live and updated. They do not need to log in or sign up for anything. So there you have it. From not being able to share your data at all to having a public link ready in under 30 seconds. It is one of those features that once you know where it is, it becomes second nature. If you found this helpful, drop a like on the video. And if you have got other Pipedrive questions, just leave them in the comments. I read every single one.